At BASF, we create chemistry for a sustainable future. To provide balance to farmers, society, and the environment as the agricultural industry works to feed and clothe the world, we must effectively manage the present and anticipate the future. One way we accomplish this is to invest in community outreach and STEM education through our partnership with ICEV to offer the Plant Science Certification.
To provide our customers with value, we must effectively manage the present and anticipate the future. One way we accomplish this is to make a long-term investment in education. BASF helps prepare future leaders in agriculture by participating in education initiatives like the Plant Science Certification. This certification assesses individuals for an in-depth understanding of the principles of plant science that will not only benefit them for the rest of their careers, but application of their knowledge will create sustainable solutions for farmers, agriculture, and society.
The BASF Plant Science Certification verifies individuals have acquired the knowledge and skills necessary to excel in a variety of roles in the plant science field. Earners of the BASF Plant Science Certification have proven they are prepared to play a vital role in ensuring agricultural productivity.
We believe that individuals with a passion and knowledge in plant growth and development, gene inheritance and variation, crop production, pest management, the water cycle, and plant nutrition can enter the agricultural job market, bringing value to their employer and playing a role in securing the global food supply for our ever-growing population. An individual who has earned the Plant Science Certification demonstrates an interest and readiness to enter the agricultural industry with its many opportunities.
Hosted on the ICEV testing platform, the BASF Plant Science Certification assesses industry-valued and industry-recognized standards. Additionally, the certification allows employers to identify and connect with more skilled candidates, filling gaps in the labor market, and jump-starting individuals' careers.
BASF. We create chemistry.